Hey guys, lighting condition here is pretty bad, but this is what we're gonna be working with. But basically, wanted to show you guys I've actually got a an ND filter for the A7R5. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what this is all about, right? So the reason why I got this is because I want to shoot outside sometimes, and the issue with that is when it's sunny outside, the videos really doesn't, they don't really turn out good. Sometimes, it's just different balance and lighting and everything. Like for example, you shoot indoor and then it's darker, and then you go outside and it's just too much light. So ND filter definitely helps a lot. So you can keep one setting for your lighting and everything, and then you just step out, you put the ND filter on, and boom, you're good to go. So let's actually open this up. This is from KNF concept. There's a bunch of scratches on the box. Pretty sure everything is good inside. Looking pretty good so far. The case is, the box here is extremely slippery for some reason. Trying to rip it off, but don't really have an option. It's very slippery. People go matte, and then this company here decided going slippery. Ow. Alright. So we've got a microfiber cleaning cloth in this thing. Again, this is like a very shiny, very hardy plastic. Let's go ahead and take out the box. There you go. Nothing else is in here. So we've got a plastic box. It's almost like frosted clear actually. So let's open this up if I can. Oh, right there. Am I doing things wrong, or no? I'm not. Oh. I don't know, it's just like weird. Like this little part is supposed to be the top, but there's nothing to grab this with. You grab the other side, but then this would be the bottom. It doesn't make really sense. Whatever. Our focus is the product, and the product is here, wrapped in a plastic bag here. Okay, let's open this up, and I'm gonna put it on as we speak, so you guys can see the difference. So this is what it looks like without it, right? Okay, here we are. Well, hello. Hold on, I might have to take this thing off first. There you go. Okay. So I actually had the sun thing on, like the sun visor thing. Can't even take it off, but the little thing on the front of the lens that like keeps the sunlight or exterior light coming to the lens from other directions. But yeah, basically I screwed it on, right? And this thing is pretty cool. Okay, look. So I have it on right now, right? And I think, what I'm seeing now is, I feel like everything is the same right now, right? So if I just twist it, like if I turn it, it gets darker, right? See how it got darker? So cool, my God. You see that? It just turns up again, and then it gets darker again. This is so cool. So all I could be doing is just like turning this dial, and like I could be changing the brightness just instantly, just like that, right? And then I could be normal, and this would also be protecting the lens itself. So I'm getting bonuses everywhere right now. One more important thing is that I wanna, I do wanna check if my cap for the camera actually, works with this lens on, this filter on. So here's my lens cap, right? Let me actually try putting it on. I'm pretty sure. Would it fit? Would it fit? I'm pretty sure it won't fit. Would it fit? Wait, no, it doesn't fit. Huh, let me try one more time. No way. It does fit. It just doesn't fit like, like snappy, but it does fit. It isn't that crazy. So if I'm done using the camera, I could just plug back everything in without even taking the filter off, and then I could use the filter. I could just turn it and then use it indoor, and I could turn it and then use it outdoor. With my lighting, I can just change the brightness of the ND filter. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I didn't really expect this much stuff out of this cheap thing, and it was pretty cheap. So if you guys want to check it out, it's gonna be in the description. And wow, I love this thing. Worth every single penny. Wow, I'm surprised how good this is. So if you guys want to watch more stuff on the A7R5, there's gonna be a playlist link, so you guys can check that out too. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.